my channel. So today I'm trying something different. Walgreens deals of the week. So I'm going to kind of just show you guys a preview of what I think are decent deals. Now, it is the week of Easter, so we are not getting any inserts this coming Sunday, so that'll help you guys save a little bit money. And it's kind of usually slow most of the time around the holiday weeks. I don't know why, but I'm going to kind of just share with you the hot deals that if you guys are interested in doing stuff like this. Now, as I progress learning to do this a little bit better, there'll be more deals. There'll be just a little bit things here and there, but I definitely want to share with you on this. So the first deal we have is a all month long deal. If you guys watch my breakdowns on Sundays, I did mention that, but the Gillette cream is $3.29. We have it on sale for buy one, get one 50% off. So you'll end up paying $4.93. You'll receive a $4 cash rewards, making it the final price just 93 cents or 46 cents a piece. So basically, if you guys need filler items with all the register rewards that you are getting this past week, these are awesome filler items because there are no coupons for it. So you can use those as a filler item and you will still get points. You can also pay with cash rewards and get cash rewards back with this deal because it's a buy two deal. So this is an all month deal that you can do all month long. Here we have the Oral-B. It is $4 on sale. You want to get two of them. You want to use the 3 off of 2 digital coupon. You would pay $5, but then you will receive a $4 register reward, and you can submit a $1 rebate on Ibotta times 2. So your final price just becomes a $1 moneymaker. And don't forget, you can also submit your receipt to the P&G website to get points for that. Now, here is another deal that's also, it's one or the other. You will have to pay in 2 separate transactions if you plan on doing this deal, the diaper deal and the Oral-B, because it's the same like deals of the week thing. But the Ninjamas are 2 for $18. We have a 5 off of 2 digital coupon that you want to use. You would pay $13. But then you'll get a $4 register reward for buying the 2, and you can submit a $2 rebate with Ibotta times 2, making your final price just $5 or $2.50 a piece if you need to do that. I do have coupons for Easy Ups, but there's no Ibotta deal for it. So it's either one, depends. Now here is an awesome deal if you guys are interested with this. It is the Truvia. It is $2.99. That week it'll be $1, or it'll be on sale for buy one, get one free. So you'll pay $2.99 for 2 of them. But then you can submit a $1.50 rebate on Ibotta times 2. I think it's a limit of 5. So if you want to do this deal twice in one transaction, you can do that. But your grand total would be free. There is a $1 off printable coupon on the Truvia website. You do have to sign up for it. I signed up for it and I never received it. So good luck on trying to get that coupon. If you can do it, that save you even more money, but usually it's just a $1 printable coupon. Now here is a deal if you guys are interested with this. The Blue Diamond is buy one, get one free. Now I don't know if that's an all month sale because it's also this week is buy one, get one free, but there is a deal that you can do. You want to use a $1 off of 2 coupon that we got from our 328 Smart Source. Now the coupon does say it's a limit per 1, but there is also a digital for $1 off of 2. So for those 4, you would pay $7.18. But there's actually a rebate, I think it's almondbreeze.com, that you all can submit. You get a $1 rebate if you buy 2. You get a $5 rebate if you buy 4. And you get a $10 rebate if you buy 6. So you can submit the $5 rebate for 4, making your final price for 4 of them $2.18 or 54 cents a piece. Or you can buy 6 of them and still use the one paper coupon and the 1 digital coupon. You'll end up getting these for $11.77, but then you submit that $10 rebate, making them $1.77 for 6 or just 29 cents a piece. Here is a deal. Heribo, they're going to be 99 cents. Now you are going to pay 99 cents. But there are 2 different Heribo deals where there is a 50-cent rebate on Ibotta or there is a 50-cent off a 2 for the gummy bears. So it depends on what you want to do. But if you buy the 2 of them that are just the 50 cents, you'll get them for 49 cents. Otherwise, you would get it for $1.49, I think, if you get the gummy bear ones. So just want to give you a heads up with this. Now here's the deal that everybody loves. It is the Scots toilet paper or the Scots paper towels. I didn't look for the Kleenex. There probably is a coupon there, but there is, and I messed up on this. There's actually a 50-cent coupon that you guys can print off of the Kleenex website. I went to scottbrand.com and nothing was popping up, but then I went to Kleenex.com and there are 50-cent printable coupons for the Scots paper towels and the Scots paper towels and the Scots toilet paper. So your grand total would be, and then there's that $1.25 booklet coupon. So your grand total would be $3.25 with that printable coupon, or $3.75 without the printable coupon. So if you guys need to stock up on that stuff, that is it. But I just wanted to share with you guys some of the great deals that is going on April 4th to the 10th. And if I see any more deals, I will definitely show you on my Sundays haul. Thanks for watching. See you guys later. Bye-bye.